People who live on the streets are just like you and me. They just have different stories.
People become homeless who have had very extensive histories of childhood trauma. Oftentimes there's no help. There's no one coming in to support that person. So they grow up, they don't know how to manage their internal experiences. Then when you see someone on the street, it's very easy to point to that person and say, look, they're an alcoholic, but you don't understand the backstory.
Just imagine that you're not really wanted anywhere, and so you finally find a place to stay. People who function in acceptable society say, actually, you're not wanted here either.
We are re-traumatizing many of our most vulnerable community members who are homeless by saying, there is no safe place for you to be. There is no place for you.
I would urge them to seek actual solutions instead of just asking the homeless population to move along somewhere else.
As a society, in some ways, we've neglected human beings, and we have not made the well-being of each and every individual our societal focus.